up also, just because there's, you know, variables such as wind and uphill and downhill. And when you have full wedges, what I always see from people is when you try to hit a full swing with a wedge, lots of times you produce a little bit too much spin because of how much loft in the grooves on a wedge. So your ball kind of gets to the apex and it kind of just balloons. It doesn't keep that aggressive flight. So swinging easier with your wedges kind of helps you control that spin and kind of keep it out of the elements a little bit more. So that was very nice.
Awesome.
I think changing that 54 helped you there.
I do agree with that.
All right, so after assessing some of your shots, we saw that you went, 3 for 5 from the short one, 2 for 5 the medium length, and then 2 for 5 on the longer one, inside of 5 feet, which is very good. The only thing that I noticed was a little bit of inconsistency in contact. You know, sometimes you'd catch one a little bit thin, sometimes you'd hit the ground a little bit beforehand. So what we're going to try to work on is just getting a little bit more consistent contact with the face and the ball. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to simplify things, try to make things easier for us. So a couple things that we're going to work on here is try to keep about 60% of your weight here on your front foot. And what we're going to try to do is limit any wrist hinge. We're going to try to work with the big muscles and the rotation of the upper body to just try to keep things consistent and get that ball started where we want to go, and kind of tightening our dispersion of our chip shots. So keep that about 60% of your weight here on the front foot, and you kind of just want to rock your upper body about the same distance back as through. A reason you do this is because when you start to manipulate the club face kind of gets in different places. What we want to do is keep the club face in one spot and kind of maintain that angle, and just use the big muscles to get the ball started on line. So from there, we'll have you step in, hit a couple shots, and see how things feel.
I'm using